Hey guys, it is me, Stace. I am back again today with another Toddler Tuesday video, and today's project is super easy. We are making a popsicle stick can vase. Isn't that fun and super easy to do? So the first thing you will need are some popsicle sticks. I picked up this bag. These are the jumbo size at Walmart, a little over $2. I then went and painted them this peach color. All I did was mix orange paint and white paint to get the color I wanted. Next, you'll need a vegetable can. You can use this kind of can or a soup can. You will need a rubber band. We're going to take the rubber band and wrap it around the can, and then basically just put our sticks in. And I'm going to go north, south, east, west first to kind of balance it out a little bit. Then we'll go in there and fill the gaps in. Okay, so we have our 4. Now we're just going to go ahead and fill them in. Now these do not cover the can entirely. There is small gaps, but I'm okay with that. And I like this because there's no glue, and because we're using a vegetable can, the little ones can put a real plant in there if they want to. Great for Easter. Great for the kitchen. They can put herbs in it and give as a gift to mom and dad. Even put it in their own room. Have their own little garden or plant. Alright, so I have my popsicle sticks. Now I'm just going to go ahead and kind of shimmy them together a little bit. Put another one right here. So you can see it doesn't cover the can entirely. I do have gaps if you want to. You can always take the label off your can to kind of disguise it a little bit more. Now I'm just lifting my rubber band up a little bit so it's not so low. Alright, now we're going to take some ribbon and wrap that around to cover the rubber band. We're going to take this and then tie this into a knot. You can do a bow if you want to. Okay, so get that nice and tight. Like that, and then just take this one and then tie it into a knot. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and cut the ends off. Restack our popsicle sticks. Kind of disguise our rubber band a little bit better, just lifting up the ribbon on the sides. Like I said, there's no glue. This is really fun for little ones to make. And all these things you can pick up at the dollar store, even the vegetable can if you want to. Alright, so there we have it. How simple was that? These flowers I picked up at the dollar store as well. This is just a bundle of 3. I'm going to stick them in there so they can use fake flowers or they can use real flowers. But I think it makes a really cute gift. Great for Easter, great for any holiday, just depending on what colors they paint them. They could use stickers, they can use markers to color these in. They can do alternating colors, make a little pattern. Lots of really fun ideas. But there you have it, guys, today's Toddler Tuesday project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.